special occasions and an extra special something to remember your day at the zoo. So the two female lions we have at the front of the exhibit there, their names are Izzy and Amani. They're two sisters. They were born in Auckland Zoo. So they are 12-year-old females, and you can see they're quite feisty and holding their piece of meat. They weigh about 125 kilos each, and they will be getting fed a piece of meat anywhere between 2 and 4 kilos. They do get fed 4 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays and Sundays, and the other days act as a starve day, as they would not eat on a daily basis out in the wild. So you can see the piece of meat that they've been given is a piece of horse meat. They do get fed horse mainly. They will get fed beef every now and then, and sometimes they get chickens as a small feed as well. So she's staying up at the fence there and waiting for a piece of meat. Normally the pieces of meat we give them include fur and bone as well, and we also place a multivitamin supplement on the piece of meat just to give them extra vitamins and minerals. Naturally out in the wild, the females would hunt down their prey and everything on that animal, including intestines, fur, and all the goodies that